Project Hope is turning out to be a great story of transformation for 270 Sabar children of 3 villages. Habits of good hygiene of washing and bathing is now a regular thing. They are served breakfast and lunch involving women mothers from their communities. Local youths have been identified and trained to teach the children. After initial months of engaging and building trust with the community, now the children are fully engaged in learning foundational literacy and numeracy. They have progressed through foundational reading, writing, and numeracy quite fast. Classes, be inside a room or under the open sky, are now a regular practice and buzzing with happy children who are actively participating and learning fast, utilizing the playful, joyful, activity-based methods adapted from Nanritam's world-class pedagogy. The program has discovered that these children also have some natural talent for arts and crafts. Overall, a sense of transformation and positive feelings could be sensed all over the community in these 3 villages. The program has engaged, involved, and encouraged the community to be a part of this transformation journey through their children. While it's a still long way to go, it's heartening to see the transformation. The joy and enthusiasm of these children is a stark contrast with what was there only a few months ago. And above all, the potential this pilot program is revealing is indeed raising tremendous hope.